Mastering the phrase, turn in your project. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase used in educational and professional settings. Turn in your project. Whether you're a student or working in an English-speaking environment, understanding what this phrase means and how to use it correctly is crucial. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this phrase. Turn in your project might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To turn in something, in this context, means to submit or hand over a piece of work to someone who has the authority to review it, such as a teacher, professor, or supervisor. The word project can refer to any task or assignment you've been working on, which could range from a simple worksheet to a complex report or presentation. Context is key when interpreting and using the phrase, turn in your project. Depending on the setting, the expectations for how and when to submit your work can vary greatly. In a school setting, this might mean handing a paper copy to your teacher by a certain date. In a professional environment, it could involve emailing a report to your boss or uploading a file to a shared workspace by a deadline. Using turn in your project correctly involves a few steps. First, make sure you understand the requirements for the project, including the format, deadline, and submission method. Next, complete your work with enough time to review it thoroughly. Finally, submit your project according to the given instructions. If you're ever unsure about how to turn in your project, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. A common mistake is missing the deadline. Always mark the due date on your calendar and aim to finish early if possible. Another error is submitting the project in the wrong format. Make sure you follow any specific guidelines provided. Lastly, avoid waiting until the last minute to ask questions about the submission process, as this can lead to unnecessary stress and mistakes. We hope this video has helped clarify what it means to turn in your project, and how you can use this phrase effectively in your academic or professional life. Remember, being clear on deadlines, formats, and expectations is key to successfully completing and submitting your work. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content on mastering the English language. See you in the next video.